How to screencast your Realme 10 Pro phone to a Samsung Smart TV. So make sure your Samsung TV has the no signal screen at the moment. Then you want to make sure both your Realme phone and your Samsung TV are currently connected to the same Wi-Fi router. You'll need Wi-Fi connection for this to work. So make sure they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi router. While in the quick panel access of your Realme phone, look for the screencast section. And when you see it, long press it. That's going to take you to the search for display devices section. And as you select that, you may be prompted to agree to certain terms. And of course, you'll have to do that if it's your first time. And as you do that, you'll see this here. Wait for your Samsung TV name to show up. And when it shows up, tap on it. You'll see that. Start now. It's going to say connecting. Now, for some of us, you may get a prompt on your TV screen that will ask to allow or not, which is usually on the top right section. If it shows up, use your remote control to accept it in terms of allowing it. And once you allow it, you get the little connecting screen and you should be taken to this part here. And once you're here, of course, if you want to get the landscape mode, make sure your auto rotate is enabled on your Realme 10 phone so that if you switch to the landscape mode on your phone, it will also show up on both the phone and on the Samsung TV, okay? And if you've gotten to this part here, congratulations. If not, try restarting your phone, try also disconnecting your Wi-Fi and then reconnecting again, okay? And that's that. So like, sub, thanks for watching. And if you do plan to disconnect it later on, just go back to the screencast section, okay? And just tap on it and remove it. That's it.